Help me!
Step aside. This is none of your business.
I'm so sorry, Ryan. I hurt you. Oh no! What just happened? Oh my God. This is so embarrassing. Hey, please help me.
Huh? I'm sorry. I'm getting late. I have an important meeting.
Please don't go. I'm really in trouble.
Please help me.
I'm really sorry. But I'm already late. I don't know what to do.
My pants are torn. I can't walk like this.
Oh, I understand.
Can you please help me?
Okay. Please wait here. I'll be back.
Thank you.
Don't worry. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Could you please give me a pair of ladies' pants?
Certainly, sir. What size?
I think maybe your size?
My size? What color would you like?
Any color is fine. Please hurry. I'm getting late. Anna? What is she doing here? And who is that man?
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that.
I'm shopping for some clothes. But what are you doing here? Weren't you going for your interview?
It's a long story. I'll explain everything at home.
Who is he?
This is Mike. This is Mike. He's my friend.
Nice to meet you.
You never told me about him.
What do you mean? Are you doubting us?
No, I didn't mean that.
Sir, here are the ladies' pants. Please have a look.
Ryan, why are you buying ladies' pants?
Wait, I can explain, but not right now. How much is it? It's $15, sir. I only have $12.50. I'm really sorry. May I pay the remaining money this evening? That's all right. I trust you. You can pay me later. Thank you so much. I'll bring the remaining money this evening. Take care, sir.
Ryan, what is really going on? Oh no, I'm getting late. I have to call Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Please answer. Good morning, Lucy. I'm stuck in an emergency. I won't be able to reach the office on time. Is everything all right, ma'am? Oh, good.
Here, I hope these fit.
Thank you so much.
I'm really late now. I have to go.
Wait! Please don't leave yet.
Yes? What happened?
I need one more favor. I still cannot leave because I have nowhere private to change into.
Into the new pants. Of course. Let me think. Those bushes will give you some privacy. You can change there. I'll make sure no one comes.
It's perfect. Thank you so much.
Take your time. I'll stay here. No one will disturb you. No one will disturb you. I'm glad everything is okay.
I'll never forget your kindness.
I really have to leave now.
Please let me pay you.
Maybe another time. I'm already late. Take care.
Thank you.
I made it. I hope I'm not too late.
Excuse me, I'm Ryan. I'm here for today's interview.
You're Ryan?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ryan. You are late. The interview has already ended.
What? Please, I had an unexpected emergency. I came here as fast as I could.
Can you give me one chance? Schedule is over. I'm sorry, Mr. Ryan. The interview process is over. I can't make any exceptions.
I wasn't wasting time. Someone needed my help.
I came here as fast as I could. I understand. But company rules apply to everyone. Mr. Mike, congratulations.
Thank you.
We're happy to welcome you to our company. Welcome to the team, Mike.
Thank you.
Let me show you your workspace.
I'm excited to start.
This will be your desk. Your first task is to prepare a professional business report.
No problem. I can handle it.
This report needs to be accurate. Everything must be properly analyzed.
Of course.
I'll check your report later.
Sure. This is much easier. No one will ever know.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Mike. I selected him in today's interview.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you, Mike. So, Mike, you're experienced in business reporting, right?
Yes, ma'am. I've done many reports before.
Good. May I see your report?
Here it is, ma'am. I'm sure you'll like it.
Thank you. Mike, did you really prepare this report yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
This report is incomplete. The analysis is weak.
Prepare a proper professional report.
We need to fix this.
I lost everything today.
Ryan, how did your interview go?
I was late. I missed the interview.
You missed your interview? I can't believe this. We have bills to pay. We need a stable future.
I was only trying to do the right thing.
You don't have a job. I can't keep living like this. Maybe we should end this marriage.
Anna, please. I will find a way. Is this really the end? I lost my job. I almost lost my wife too. My wife too.
Hey, is that really you? Hi, I've been hoping I'd meet you again. Thank you for helping me yesterday.
I'm glad you're okay, ma'am.
You don't seem happy. What happened? Is everything all right?
I missed my interview yesterday. Now I don't have a job.
Ryan, I think I can help you. Come with me. You helped me without expecting anything. Now let me help you. I'll see you at the office.
I won't let you down. Good morning. You?
You? Why are you here again? The interviews are already over.
I know. Ria ma'am asked me to come. She gave me this and asked me to meet you.
This is Ria ma'am's card. Come with me.
Thank you.
We don't have an office position available, but you can help in the storage room.
I'll do it. Any honest work is fine with me.
So, you're working here now?
Yes. Ryan? I saw you yesterday. You were shopping with my wife. Who are you to her?
Relax. Anna is just a friend.
You're thinking too much. I hope you're telling me the truth.
Be careful. Don't accuse people without proof. Hi, Anna. I've got some news. Ryan is working here, in our company. Don't worry, he doesn't know about our relations. Okay, darling, I'll meet you this evening. This report still doesn't look right.
Mike, Ria ma'am is waiting. Is the report ready?
Almost. I'll finish it in a minute. No one will notice. This should be enough.
This report still has serious problems. It's incomplete, and the analysis is very weak.
Ryan, can I ask you something? I just need another opinion. Can you look at this report?
Of course. The information is correct, but the structure isn't clear. It needs stronger analysis.
Stronger analysis.
Try presenting the data this way. It will be much easier to understand. I hope this helps.
It helps a lot. Thank you. This will impress Ria. Ma'am, I've completely revised the report.
This is much better. Excellent work. Tell me, why did you choose this strategy? You wrote this report, didn't you?
Yes, ma'am. I wrote everything.
Lucy, I want to meet the other candidate, the one who came for the interview that day. Yes, ma'am. Ryan, please come in. I need your opinion on something. Have you seen this report before?
Yes. The original data was good, but the presentation needed a clearer structure. So I reorganized the analysis to make the conclusions easier to understand.
Mike, can you explain this section?
I'm sorry. I didn't write it. Ryan helped me.
Making mistakes is human, but claiming someone else's work is unacceptable.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth.
I only wanted to help. Ryan, you took everything from me. If I can't destroy your career, I'll destroy your happiness. I won't forget this.
Who could that be? Mike, why are you here?
We need to talk. I love you so much. Leave Ryan. Come with me.
No, I know. I love you. I made a mistakes.
But I can't leave Ryan.
Mike, what are you doing?
We're not finished talking.
Please leave. This conversation is over.
No, not until you come with me.
Give me my phone.
No.
It's maybe Ryan. Move. I want to open the door.
You're not going anywhere.
Ryan! Help me!
Step aside. This is none of your business. Stop. This isn't the answer. I'm not here to fight. I'm here to protect my family. Hello? I need the police. There's an intruder in my house. Thank you for coming. Good evening. We received your request for assistance. He entered our home without permission. He refused to leave. My wife felt
Unsafe.
Sir, please come with us. We'll discuss everything outside.
I understand.
I'm so sorry, Ryan. I hurt you.
We've both made mistakes. Let's heal together. One day at a time.
Thank you.
You're safe now.